Hey guys, how's it going? We'll start in just a sec. All right, everybody, welcome to the break. 2017 Panini Playoff Football Mega Box. We got 5 boxes here. Every box has, can't see my video. Where's my video? There it is. 1 Hail Mary autograph and 1 Hail Mary, that's a tongue twister. Hail Mary memorabilia card. Per box on average. I think I've only seen 1 box of this that ever was missing an autograph, so they're usually pretty good about it. So we're breaking 5 of these today. Sorry about my voice, I've been a little messed up for the last few days. Hopefully I can pull you something. If I don't pull anything for you, make sure you get at least a pack of cards or something. Request to join. Alrighty. You are approved. Alrighty, we're gonna get cracking. Good luck, everyone. Thanks to my regulars, Adam, Ryan, you guys have bought some teams at the last minute. Thank you. Offset some of my costs a little bit. Hopefully I can pull you something with those teams. Forgot how many packs there are in here. This thing is loaded. And off we go. Got a flea flicker for the Giants. Let me set my autofocus. It's already fighting me. Alrighty, anyway, back to it. Carlos Hyde for the Niners, Boss Hogs insert. We got a Kevin King rookie. A couple of vets and a kid reporter. Gridiron Force, Terrell Suggs for the Ravens insert. Got an Aaron Rodgers stargazing. Obi Melifonwu rookie. DeAndre Hopkins, playoff momentum. Flea flicker for the Redskins. Evan Ingram, rookie card for the Giants. My throat's killing me. Got John Ross going to the Bengals. John Ross II going to heaven. Bengals with the first autograph. No number on that. That is a base auto. Nice looking card though. Good autograph too. Perfectly on the sticker. Sticker's actually a little dirty on the right side over here. You can kind of see, well, sort of see it a little bit there. And then we got a kid reporter back here. We got playoff momentum. Larry Fitz. Gridiron Force. Charles Woodson going to the Raiders. Rookie card. Tim Williams. A couple of vets. Thunder and Lightning for the Patriots. Brady and Cooks. First numbered card out of 299 going to the Bucks. 192 out of 299, O.J. Howard. There's usually a ton of numbered cards in these 5 boxes that we pull. Lots and lots of numbers. First one of the Bucks. Got a Kareem Hunt rookie for the Chiefs. Steve Young and Tim Brown vet base. We got Russell Wilson insert, stargazing. Got a little numbered action here for the Packers. Clay Matthews, that's 75 out of 299. Rookie card, Buda Baker for the Cardinals. Kid reporter. Playoff momentum. AB for the Steelers. Randall Cunningham going out to the Eagles. 122 out of 299. Fly, Eagles, fly. It's a nice looking card. Of course, I'm an Eagles fan, so I'm biased. Chris Godwin, rookie for the Bucks. You want 18% off? There you go. If you want an 18% off discount over their super overpriced products, there's your code. It'll just bring you down to paying about 75% more than they should cost. Rodgers, Nelson, and Montgomery for the Packers. That's a flea flicker. Boss Hogs, Ajayi with the Dolphins. Hassan Reddick, rookie, going to the Cardinals. That's the relic. Save that pack for last. Stargazing Zeke, going to the Cowboys. Aqib Talib out of 49. 41 out of 49 purple parallel. That one's going to the Broncos. That's for Ginger. Last minute pickup there. We got a Jake Butt rookie card. A couple vets. Another NFL shop. Alright, let's see what our relic is for this box. Uh-oh. Shabam. Mahomes. Got a Mahomes relic. Going to the Chiefs. There's your money back. At least. Get this card graded, you probably doubled or even tripled your money. Congrats on that one. Nice Mahomes hit. the second Mahomes relic I pulled out of this. Very nice. First box, too. Chiefs getting their money back plus. I sold Mahomes base rookie cards for 40, 50 bucks, so that's a good hit right there. Kansas City. There you go, Dave. Nice hit for you. Good looking card, too. It's a little off center to the right, but not too bad. My homie. That's right. I got too much stuff on my desk over here. Gotta move it out of the way. Still got a couple cards left in here. Manning and Beckham, Thunder and Lightning for the Giants. Gridiron Force, Justin Houston going to the Chiefs. And another Mahomes. This is just a Mahomes kind of box, I guess. Too bad the auto wasn't Mahomes. Mahomes rookie card. It's a base rookie, but that one looks perfectly centered. That's a good looking card, actually. Yeah, that's nice. It's in pretty good shape. Not bad at all. Nice. Nice card. There you go, Dave. 2 Mahomes for you in that one box. Got a patch and a base rookie. Very nice. The Mahomie. Alrighty. That's just the first box. We get that fire out of it. It's too bad I don't have the energy to get more excited. It's been a long week for me. Does that work? It does not work. That did. I don't even think he's in here. Probably watch it on YouTube later. Larry Fitz, playoff momentum. We got Rod Woodson for the Steelers. 93 out of 299. Got Marlon Humphrey rookie going to the Ravens. Dan Hampton base card. Gridiron Force for the Raiders, Charles Woodson. I think that's the second one. Another Zeke stargazing. Got C.J. Beathard going to the Niners. Rookie. Flea Flicker going to the Giants. Got a Gronk out of 49 here. That is numbered 38 out of 49 going to the Patriots. Nice semi-short print. Adams team right there. Marcus Williams rookie card for the Saints. NFL shop. Playoff momentum, Hines Ward. Flea Flicker for the Saints. Fabian Moreau, rookie, going to the Redskins. No heat in that pack. This is a fat one. This is probably the relic. We got headliners in here. I like the headliners cards. They're usually pretty cool. A lot of times these are game worn too. Going to the Chargers. Melvin Gordon. Got Melvin Gordon player worn material. Headliners. Rumbles for 196 yards and a touchdown. Going to Adam. Chargers relic for you, Adam. Flea Flicker, Lint Licker. Boss Hogs, Adrian Peterson going to the Saints. Harrison Smith, Gridiron Force for the Vikings insert. Taywan Taylor, rookie, going to the Titans. Now I'm going to start calling them Lint Licker cards. Yeah, Lint Licker. David Johnson, stargazing for the Cardinals. Got Golden Tate when he was with the Lions. That's 210 out of 299. Lots of numbered cards. Trey Hendrickson for the Saints, rookie card. Packers Lint Licker, Flea Flicker. Jay Ajayi, Boss Hogs. Garyon Conley, rookie for the Raiders. Uh-oh. That's my team's color right there. And it is the Eagles. Got Shelton Gibson. Shelton Gibson going to the Eagles. Rookie auto. I always pull Eagles autos because I'm an Eagles fan. Gotta roll that way. Ginger, you grabbed my team, huh? Good move, good move. Nice hit for you there. Nice Shelton. I like Shelton. He's pretty good. Thunder and Lightning for the Giants again. Justin Houston, Gridiron Force. Got Christian McCaffrey. Let me top load this. That's a pretty decent base rookie card right there. This dude's a beast. Almost literally a beast. He's got some super muscles going on this year. I love it. I love to pull Eagles cards. It's hurt to put a couple Wentz autos in the mail, but it's also nice to pull them. Stargazing Russell Wilson for the Bengals, 254 out of 299. That's John Ross III. Another one for the Bengals. Marlon Mack, rookie for the Colts. And did we get the relic already? Yeah, we did get the relic. We got the relic in the auto out of this box now. Jay Cuddy. Got DeAndre Hopkins going to the Texans. Flea Flicker, Redskins. Reed Cousins and Kelly. Rasul Douglas for the Eagles, rookie card. To round out box number 2. Moving right along. Let's get to the third box. Thunder and Lightning for the Steelers. Purple Parallel out of 49. That's Willie McGinnis going to the Patriots. 24 out of 49. Another numbered card there. The Pats. Got to go along with that Gronk. Deshaun Hall. I don't know why I feel like saying that with a southern accent. Deshaun Hall. Rookie card for the Panthers. And not a very good southern accent at that. Especially feeling like crap. Bruce Smith going to the Bills, Gridiron Force. Le'Veon, Stargazing. Got another Joe Williams. I think the first one was a Joe Williams. Maybe not. Maybe it was Beathard. Rookie card for the Niners. Thick one here. This should be the auto. I think this is the autograph pack right here. Got a red one. Got a red auto coming up. Initials MN. One of the Bucks. Those weren't the initials. That'd be JM. Jeremy McNichols going to the Bucks. Autograph for Tampa Bay. It's going to Michael. Looks like it's right to the edge of the sticker. Not bad though. Pretty decent hit. Kid Reporter in the back. We got playoff momentum. Tyreek Hill. Flea Flicker for the Seahawks. Brendan Langley, Broncos rookie. Boss Hogs for the Raiders. Lynch. We got Tyreek Hill out of 25 going to Kansas City. 15 out of 25 parallel insert. It's a Niner. Is that what you said? $15 out of 25. Oh yeah, you're right. Good catch. 49ers. I almost missed that. Let me mark that on there so I don't mess it up. Sorry about that, Bucks. That is the Niners. My bad. I'm going to put a piece of tape on this so I don't mess that up when I'm sorting it. Good catch there. Good catch. Sorry about that. I just looked at the uniform. Thanks, Jake. 49ers. Sorry, sir. Got it corrected. Thanks for letting me know. I might have messed that one up. James Conner, rookie for the Steelers. I'm going to top load that. Because this is another beastly rookie. McNichols traded. Caught me with that uniform, man. I almost gave your card away. Gerald McCoy going to the Bucks. Gridiron Force. Travis Kelce stargazing. Rookie card for the Pack. Josh Jones. You know I'm always trying to pull one over on you, Jake. Flea Flicker for the Raiders. Demaryius Thomas going to the Broncos. It's 216 out of 299. Prism parallel, even though it doesn't say Prism on it. Maybe they consider it a foil parallel. Cooper Kupp, rookie card for the Rams. Got a Boss Hogs going to the Titans. DeMarco Murray. Thunder and Lightning for the Falcons. Delano Hill, rookie, going to the Seahawks. Gridiron Force, Cam Chancellor, Seahawks. There's a gold parallel. Calvin Johnson, 77 out of 99, going to the Lions. Nice number on that one. Derek Barnett, rookie for the Eagles. Is that a thick one? Can't tell. No, that's the thick one. Surprised Boyd's not in here. Ed Reed, Gridiron Force for the Ravens. Von Miller for the Broncos. Stargazing. Marcus May, rookie for the Jets. Thick pack, should be the relic. That's really thick. It's like an ultra thick pack from here. It's like a regular sized relic in there. I don't know why it's so thick. Got NFL 18% off back there. Alright, here we go. We got LF. Fournette, look at that. It's a pretty decent card right there going to the Jags. Leonard Fournette, rookie patch. There you go, Adam. I have no idea why the Jags didn't sell, with Fournette being a rookie that year. It's a good pickup, sir. Very nice one. Not huge, but it's pretty nice. Pretty nice one there. And that one is actually pretty much perfectly centered. This corner might be a little dinged. Just a tad. Alright, we got a flea flicker for the Finns. We got a Boss Hogs going to the Rams. It's Gurley. Rookie card, Mike Williams going to the Chargers. That is the third box. Moving on to number 4. Pretty decent break so far. I like this break because it's not too expensive. You can get into it relatively cheap. I know the Chiefs tend to be not cheap because every Mahomes card is worth a mini mint. But if you get into this and get your personal favorite team, you can get some nice little cards out of it. Get team set, maybe get a number, maybe even a hit. Without paying a crazy amount. Gridiron Force, Ed Reed. A lot of inserts, lots of numbered cards. It's a fun little break. This is a parallel Boss Hogs. These are pretty rare. This is a Zeke numbered 58 out of 199. Going to the Cowboys. $58. Jake Butt, another rookie for the Broncos. It's a fun little break. I do like doing these cheap breaks. Von Miller Stargazing. Flea Flicker for the Dolphins. Kevin King rookie card for the Packers. Especially when you pull a couple Mahomes cards. That makes it even more fun. Nice cheap way to get a Mahomes, potentially. Mahomes patch, maybe an auto still. Luke Kuechly, Gridiron Force for the Panthers. Got another numbered card for the Patriots. That's the third one. Brandon Cooks, 179 out of 299. Patriots just eating it up with the numbered parallels. Buda Baker rookie for the Cardinals. Hey Scott, how you doing, man? Saw your picture pop up. Boss Hogs, Gurley. Tyus Bowser, 14 out of 299. Rookie parallel, going to the Ravens. Kareem Hunt rookie for the Chiefs. The rich get richer. Well, he's with the Browns now, but still a Chiefs rookie. Stargazing McCoy going to the Bills. Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Insert. Evan Engram rookie card for the G-Men. Fat pack. I think I just grabbed the relic. Let's see. Oh, this is an autograph pack. What color is that? Dolphins? Looks like the Dolphins in there. Let's see. Dolphins. Quarter A Tankersley. Going to the Dolphins. The unsold Dolphins. See, Adam. Adam should have taken the Dolphins, man. Am I out of... Where's my 55 pointers? There they are. I don't know if his cards are any valuable, have any value to him anyway. It might not even be worth the $4. Smith, Hunt, and Hill for the Chiefs. Flea Flicker. Lint Liquor. Tim Brown, playoff momentum for the Raiders. Tim Williams, Ravens rookie card. What's going on, Josh? We got Le'Veon Stargazing. Got a Peyton Manning. Hey, look, it's not a Patriot. 46 out of 299 going to the Colts. How you doing, Josh? Staying out of trouble? NFL shop in the back. Chris Godwin, rookie card for the Bucks. Is that actually the Bucks? Yeah. Bob Lilly and Jim McMahon. Yeah, I've got a Mahomes relic out of this. Pulled a Mahomes relic and then a Mahomes rookie card in the same box. Thought that was pretty cool out of a low-end product. This, a couple breaks ago I pulled Mahomes. Oh, sorry about that. I bumped my camera. A couple of breaks ago I pulled a Mahomes patch as well in the same product, so they're not too uncommon. Thunder and Lightning for the Steelers. Upside down there. Bumped my camera over. Bruce Smith, Gridiron Force. Obi Melifonwu, rookie for the Raiders. Kid Reporter, if anybody wants it. No. I'm getting there, man. I'm feeling better today than yesterday, a lot better. AJ Green, Stargazing for the Bengals. Flea Flicker, that is the Bucks. Hassan Reddick, rookie, going to the Cardinals. The camera's a little low now. Kid Reporter. I guess somebody uses those things. I don't know that mug. Yeah, I know, it's cool. Jeremy McNichols going to the Niners, not the Bucks. So this will go right along with the autograph. Get you your relic with it too. I do see the Niners logo on that one, even though he's wearing a Bucks uniform. Hail Mary autographs for the Niners. I got you, Jake. Alrighty. If I could just find the right top loader, that'd be awesome. Is this it? Nope, that is it. It's right in between. It's in between the 100 and the 130. Fits in here though. I'll just write it on there to be sure. Sometimes I usually look at the logos when I sort cards. I will actually sort it backwards like this. Actually, it's probably, yeah, well, whatever. I can still see that it's the Niners underneath there. But when I sort the cards, I sort them from the backs. So I probably would have never messed this up anyway. So relic for the Niners there. And that's going to close out this box after a couple inserts. McCoy to the Bills. Thunder and Lightning actually to the Bucks, not the Niners. And another Mahomes rookie card. Wow. 18% off. Wow, I don't think I've ever seen two Mahomes-based rookie cards in one 5-box break. Chiefs making out like a bandit in this one too. Final box. As always, if you're new in my breaks, if you come from eBay and you skunk, I will throw in at least a pack of cards for you. Right now, I am tossing out the following. I've got 2018 Absolute. These are from Blasters, so they're not amazing, but they're pretty decent packs. I bought a whole case of Blasters. I just pile them up and send them out. There are autos in there. Every box has one hit in it, so there is a chance you'll get something out of it. If you get a pack in the mail, if you skunk and don't get any hits in this and get one of those packs, you might end up getting an autograph or a relic anyway. Yeah, Chiefs did really well in this. Chiefs are always teetering on that, like, it's too much for a low-end product, and it's they usually do okay, actually. And Ndamukong Suh, Gridiron Force. We got Don Maynard out of 299 going to the Jets. Can't read that number. 58. Looks like 58 out of 299. But in the grand scheme of things, with modern cards, most teams are like 50 bucks or more, so the Chiefs end up going for between 20 and 50, and this product is like that much anyway, if they don't hit. Dalvin Cook, rookie for the Vikings. Whoops, that's the wrong pile. Kid Reporter. Deion Sanders, Gridiron Force for the Cowboys. This is a parallel out of 99 for the Giants. Thunder and Lightning, 61 out of 99. Going to the unsold Giants. That means me. And I'm an Eagles fan. John Johnson, going to the Rams. Yeah, well, you know how it is, Josh, dude. We're all in this game. You can either have highs or you can have lows. Actually, if you break enough, you're gonna have both. I've hit some amazing cards in breaks, and I have skunked bad. It was very, very demoralizing. Stargazing AJ Green for the Bengals. But that's the price we pay to play this game. Flea Flicker for the Bucks. Quincy Wilson, rookie, going to the Colts. I can't count how many times I bought into a break chasing a card. Usually it was one of the big teams last year. Buy one of the big teams 2 or 3 times, not get the card you're looking for. You know, Lamar Jackson or Baker or something like that. And once you hit 3 or 4 breaks, you're like, I could have bought like 2 of them. Granted, you're searching for multiple hits or like a super low number or 1-on-1 of something. But after you skunk in a few breaks, you're like, damn, why didn't I just buy it? Because it's not the same. It's fun to watch it get open for you. Luke Kuechly, Gridiron Force for the Panthers. Here's a gold parallel of the Goff. 42 out of 99 for the Rams. It is more fun. I don't know why. I'd rather watch somebody give it to me in a break rather than just buy the card outright. It's not as fulfilling. It's not as fulfilling for me to go on eBay and just buy the card I want. I like to be in the break. I like to chat with the breaker. Give them a hard time sometimes. And then see an amazing card pulled. Get excited about it. That's what's fun for me. Of course, I like to pull them too. Shaquille Griffin, rookie for the Seahawks. It's a lot of fun for me to pull big hits. Now, Mahomes is a decent hit for a low-end product like this. I'm real happy to see that come out. I like seeing the big teams get fulfilled. Here's another red autograph back here. It's not going to be Mahomes. I don't know who DK is. Is that the Browns? Yep, Deshaun Kaiser for the Brownies. Sticker auto. Not bad, actually. It's a pretty good autograph on that one. This one's going to Kevin. There you go, Kevin. I think that's your personal team, right? Browns fan. Yeah, man. Yeah, I definitely know what that's like. Man, I'll tell you one thing, man. Panini does not like the Eagles very much. I have trouble getting hits with the Eagles. And this year, I've been chasing Drew Lock and Daniel Jones. I've been struggling with that. I keep getting this dude. Well, that's the wrong card. Where's the other one that I keep hitting? That was the Bills that I ended up with in one break. There's the Giants player. I keep hitting some other Giants player, and I don't remember who it is. I got a whole stack of cards that I got in the mail here today. Oh, I got no Giants today, so that's even worse. Or you buy the Broncos and end up with something like this. I got the Broncos in a break, and I got this card, 7 out of 10. I'm pretty happy about that. Auto would have been nicer, but number to 10 is pretty sweet. Boss Hogs, LaShawn McCoy. Sorry about that little sidestep. I know there's people waiting for the break to end. Thunder and Lightning going to the Bucks. Zay Jones, rookie for the Bills. I get excited talking about cards. I love cards, man. I love cards. That's why I do this. It's fun to open them. It's fun to pull awesome cards for people. Flea Flicker going to the Steelers. I hate skunking people, but it's part of the game. But that's why I throw out free packs. Marshall Faulk, 4 out of 25 going to the Colts. Trying not to leave anybody hanging with no hits. Nice low numbered short print card there for the Colts. Yeah. Yeah, I should probably stop chasing the Eagles and just buy those cards outright because I really want them. The other ones are just for my collection. DeMarcus Walker, rookie for the Broncos. I did get a few Bakers last year, but I never got one in a break. I had to just buy them. I seem to do better with Lamar Jackson. Every time I bought into a break, I seem to get a Lamar, and he was rare. Jordan Howard, Boss Hogs. That one's going to the Bears. Thunder and Lightning for the Raiders. D.D. Westbrook, rookie for the Jags. A couple packs left, and then we'll be done. Did we get the relic already, or is it that bottom? I think it's that bottom pack. Julio Jones, stargazing for the Falcons. Gronk, playoff momentum. Insert for the Pats. Solomon Thomas, Niners rookie. Kid Reporter. Coming down to it, 2 packs left. I don't think I have any randoms here. I didn't get any points, that's good. LaShawn McCoy, stargazing. Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Got Josh Reynolds, rookie for the Rams. Final pack coming up. Good luck, everyone. I do have a mixer break posted up on the site here. For anybody new to the group, check it out if you're interested. Let me move that to the back. Flea Flicker going to the Eagles. Alshon Jeffrey, Carson Wentz, Darren Sproles. Got Boss Hogs, Zeke. Again. Got a Deshaun Watson rookie. Let me top load that. I have a nice Deshaun Watson card. Matter of fact, I have it right here from my own little personal collection. Bam, look at that. Isn't that thing pretty? I don't even know what kind of patch that is. That is not from the break. You get this. But that's a nice rookie card right there. Base. Got a Wentz base. And then the hit back here. I think it's upside down. Nope, it's this way. CG. Chris Godwin. This one actually is going to the Bucks. Chris Godwin for the Bucks. Player worn material. Bam. Bucks got teased with 2 hits tonight that went to the Niners. They're closing it out with an actual hit this time. instead of getting tricked by a traded player. So there you go, Tampa Bay. Going to Mike. Got you a hit after thinking I had an auto for you earlier. Now you actually get a relic at least. Sorry about the tease. I didn't notice the 49ers in the previous cards until they were, well, at least the first one. Jake caught it. He's a big Niners fan. He ain't going to let that go. Alrighty, I'm going to give you guys a recap. So, stack of base cards. I will be sorting these. Base cards do go out unless you do not want them. If you're just going to toss them or toss them in the trash when you get them, then let me know and I'll donate them. Donate them to a local charity. Got a pile of rookie cards here. And then we had a few decent rookies in the pile. We had a Deshaun, James Conner, Christian McCaffrey, and 2 Mahomes rookie cards. Not too shabby on the rookie front. We also have a stack of inserts back here. Nice cards for the personal collection if you have your favorite team. Got a whole pile of numbered cards right here. I'll just show you them. I'm not going to call them out. Number to 49, that's nice. I like that one too. Some low numbered ones in there to 25, those are nice. We got 5 relics and 5 autographs. As promised, Panini did not rip us off and they did not give us points. Here are the patch cards. We got Chris Godwin. Rookie Stallions, that one's going to the Bucks. We got Jeremy McNichols, this one's going to the 49ers. You see it on the left side over there. Not the Bucks. For the Jags, Leonard Fournette. Got a Headliners, Melvin Gordon. These are usually game worn, this one's not. And then we got the Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes. The Mahomes. Still working on pulling ink for this guy, but that's a nice patch card right there, the Mahomes. And then we got 5 autographs here. We got Deshaun Kaiser going to the Browns. None of these are numbered. Sometimes they are. None in this box were. Boxes. Corduroy Tankersley going to the Dolphins. McNichols to go along with the relic for the Niners. 49ers, Jake. I won't mess that up. I know it does say it up there, but I didn't catch that. All the other cards have the logo printed. This one just prints the name at the top. This is a Shelton Gibson for the Eagles. It's my team, my local team. Bengals, John Ross III. All these autographs are pretty decent. They're all perfectly on the sticker, it looks like. The only one that was close was the McNichols. The rest of them were all pretty good autographs. Close it out. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes the break for this evening. Like I said, if you skunked in this break, meaning you didn't get something decent for your buying, I'll make sure you get at least a pack of cards in the mail. And I hope you stick with the group. If you're watching this on YouTube and you have a Facebook account, come on into our group later. We have a lot of fun, and I post breaks directly in the group. I'll post better breaks in the group than some of the ones on eBay. I keep the lower price stuff on eBay to try to grow the group. Yep, thanks, Josh. It's good to have you here. So I hope you guys stick with the group. I'm going to have 2019 Immaculate going up probably next week, I think. I got a case of that coming, so that'll be a bit higher end. But it's coming in. It's coming in. I've never done a full case of that super high-end stuff, so we'll see how that goes. But check it out. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you in a future break. All right, everybody. I got some sorting to do. I'm going to get started on it now, so you guys have a wonderful night, and sleep tight. Thanks for joining in. This is Eclipse Breaks. I'm Wes. Thanks for stopping by, San Diego. Peace. Have a good night.